This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffalo chicken dip in the microwave. First, ensure your cream cheese is softened for easy mixing. You will need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce, and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. These simple ingredients come together quickly for a delicious snack or party appetizer. Let's get started on this super easy recipe. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a large, microwave-safe bowl, add the softened cream cheese, shredded chicken, buffalo wing sauce, and your chosen dressing. Stir everything together until it's well combined and creamy. Once mixed, place the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for an initial 2 minutes. This first heating step helps to further soften the cream cheese and warm the chicken, preparing it for the next stage of deliciousness. After the first 2 minutes, carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. Give the dip a good stir, making sure to break up any remaining lumps of cream cheese. You want a smooth, consistent texture. Then, return the bowl to the microwave and heat it again on high for another 2 minutes. Continue this process of heating for 2 minutes and stirring until the dip is completely hot, bubbly, and perfectly blended. It should be wonderfully creamy. Once your buffalo chicken dip is hot, bubbly, and perfectly creamy, it's ready to serve. Transfer it to a serving dish or simply serve it straight from the microwave-safe bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of blue cheese crumbles. This delicious dip pairs wonderfully with crunchy celery sticks, crisp carrot sticks, or your favorite tortilla chips. Enjoy this fantastic, easy-to-make appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.